Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be drawing some cute cartoon french fries. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I'm going to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the top of our circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, back up towards the top. Now let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. And I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top left side of each eye, draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. Bend that back out towards the top of the eye. And then across the bottom, we're going to draw a smaller circle for a bottom reflection. And then we'll go in and fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlight circles. Now, in between the eyes across the bottom, let's draw a straight line going across for the mouth. Now we're going to close out the bottom with a curve. We're going to come down and then up. Along the top, we're going to step down, draw a straight line for the teeth, and then add a curve across the bottom for the tongue, and then we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now, just underneath the mouth, we're going to step down and add a large curve for the bottom of the box. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's curve this down in the middle, and then that up towards the right. And then from the ends, we're going to angle this up and out towards the top of the box. Let's bring that up to right about there. Go to the right side and do the same thing. I want to bring that up towards the same height. Let's draw a short angled line going up and in. And then we're going to connect these two lines with a curve coming down the middle. So we're going to come down, across, and then back up. Now we're going to draw the front row of french fries across. Now I'm going to place the front row of french fries across the top. So let's start on the left side. We're going to go up, flatten this off, and then bring that straight down. Let's leave a small gap. We're just going to angle this up towards the right, go a little bit higher, go across and back down. And it's going to work our way across, adding a shorter one in the middle, longer one going up toward the top. Now I'm going to add one more. Going up, flatten that off, and then bring that back down towards the box. Now I'm going to add the back row of french fries. Let's start in this gap, going up, across, and then down. Let's add one more in here. Add a short one in this gap, and one more on the right side. Now let's add a little trim across the top of the box. We're going to trace these three lines across the inside, going in, across the middle, and then back down on the right. Now leave a small gap and do that again at the bottom of the trim. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a cute cartoon illustration of french fries. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.